Kingdom Plumbing offers reliable water treatment services in Las Vegas, Nevada, designed to enhance water quality, reduce buildup, and protect your home or business from the effects of untreated water. Our experienced professionals evaluate your water needs and recommend effective treatment systems for lasting results. Whether you need water softening or advanced filtration, we deliver dependable solutions that improve efficiency, comfort, and overall water quality year-round. Contact us today for a free consultation and learn how we can enhance the quality of your water. Are you looking for a water treatment near me? You can stop looking. You found Kingdom Plumbing. Why is water treatment important? Water often contains high mineral levels that can cause hard water buildup. Water treatment helps improve water quality, protect plumbing systems, and extend the lifespan of appliances. How often should a water treatment system be serviced? Maintenance requirements vary by system, but annual inspections are generally recommended to ensure optimal performance and water quality. What is the service area for your Las Vegas, Nevada location? Our water treatment service has helped customers in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, and Pahrump, Nevada. Where are your Las Vegas, Nevada water treatment services located? We are located at 8311 Farm Road, Suite B, Las Vegas, Nevada 89131. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit our website, www.kingdomplumbing.com.